which meme coin could make you a billionaire by 2026. Imagine waking up one morning and realizing a coin you bought for fun has turned you into a billionaire. That's the wild power of meme coins. Dogecoin proved it first. A simple joke became a revolution, and in 2021 it made overnight millionaires who never saw it coming. Then Shiba Inu stepped in, with a community so massive and upgrade so strong that it became one of the most powerful meme coins still alive today. But here's the crazy part, the story of meme coins is just getting started, and many experts say the biggest wave is coming in 2025 and 2026. Pepe Coin came out of nowhere in 2023, shocking the market with insane profits and proving that investors are still chasing the thrill of risky, fun tokens. Floki Inu keeps building hype with non-stop campaigns and a passionate community, making investors believe the next breakout is closer than ever. Meanwhile, newcomers like Bonk and Dogwifhat are moving fast, social media is buzzing, and some believe they're the hidden gems ready to explode in the next bull run. Some text goes hear the truth? Meme coins are dangerous, unpredictable, and insanely volatile. But they also hold the kind of rewards that can completely change your life. The winners are always the ones who get in early, before the hype, before the headlines, before TikTok and Twitter start screaming about the next big thing. So ask yourself, are you ready to take the leap, or will you sit back and watch others become the next wave of meme coin millionaires? Because in crypto, fortune favors the bold, and sometimes it takes just one coin to rewrite your entire financial future. Don't miss out, subscribe now, stay tuned, and be ready for the biggest opportunities of 2025 and 2026. For more information about crypto and finance, please subscribe our channel and comment your idea for next videos.